Have you ever looked at a design and thought, wow, that text really pops? Well, chances are it's because of a drop shadow. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add a clean, professional drop shadow in Canva to make your design stand out instantly. Let's get started. First, open your project in Canva and select the element you want to add a shadow to. This could be text, an image, or even a shape. Once selected, look at the top toolbar. If it's text, click on Effects. You'll see several options. Choose Shadow. If it's an image, click on Edit Image, then scroll down until you find the Shadows section. Select the one labeled Drop. As soon as you apply it, you'll notice an instant depth effect. But here's where the magic happens. Customization. Canva lets you fine-tune your shadow to match your design perfectly. You can adjust the blur to make it softer or sharper, change the distance to control how far the shadow sits from your object, and tweak the angle to decide which direction the light is coming from. Want it more subtle or bold? Just adjust the transparency or intensity. And for a creative touch, try experimenting with different shadow colors. It's a great way to match your overall theme or background. Once you're happy with the look, click anywhere outside the menu and boom, your element now has a professional drop shadow that adds instant dimension and focus. So next time you're designing a thumbnail, social post, or presentation, remember, sometimes all it takes is a simple shadow to make your design go from flat to fabulous. If you found this helpful, give it a try in your next Canva project and see the difference yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.